Hi, this is a vegan-friendly recipe called kuzhi paniyaaram, which is a fermented dumpling, and it originates from Tamil Nadu in South India. It is made from fermented rice and lentil batter that I then serve it in a lentil stew. And I'm going to describe the recipe as part of this video. So you can see the batter now, and it is made from grinding soaked rice as well as lentils, and I leave it to ferment overnight. If it's cold weather, you probably need a couple of days to ferment. It'll rise in volume, and you can then use it to make idlis, dosas, and these sort of dumplings. I have this non-stick mold which I heat up, and then I pour a bit of I get some oil first, and then pour the batter into these molds. And when they cook, I turn them over as I show in this video. I use this stick that I use for cakes, so I use that. It's quite easier to turn it over with that. And you can do these plain, or you can chop vegetables like onions, tomatoes, grated carrots, chilies, so anything which you can get into really small volume, small pieces, and then can be cooked quickly, can be added as part of this, but I've just done them plain today. And then once it gets done really quickly, and that's the finished dumplings. And now I have already made rasam, which is a lentil stew with spices, and I am serving my dumplings with the lentils in a stew, piping hot, to be consumed. This is a vegan friendly recipe and very healthy with lentils and healthy carbohydrates.